knowing all the fonts doesn't make you a good graphic designer, just so we're clear before we start this game. Good graphic designer.
I'm here at Adobe Max 2023. Let's see if professional graphic designers from the world's largest creativity conference know their fonts. Hey dude, what's your name?
My name is Magdiel.
I knew that already. You want to play Guess the Font?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Okay, I'm going to show you a font like this.
Awesome.
And you've got to try and guess it in 10 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that. Times New Roman? No.
No, go on. Think a bit more designery. I'll show you this one. Okay, Baskerville. That was Baskerville.
Oh, yeah, I know this.
James,
What's up?
guess the font.
Hungover edition.
All right, so this is the first one. You'll get a guess, and then I'll swipe, and you'll get the answer.
Let's go. Oh, okay. Right. I think I know. Is it Garamond?
No, that one's Baskerville. Hey, dude, do you want to play Guess the Font?
Sure, let's do it.
What's your name?
Curtis.
Nice to meet you, Curtis. Okay, here's the first font for serif.
Sarah, is it Playfair?
It isn't, but you're kind of close. Yeah?
It's not like Baskerville?
Hey,
Oh, yes.
yeah, did it? True.
Yes, sir.
We're going to give you 5 fonts to try and guess. You win nothing, but
That's fine.
respect and love, no matter what you choose.
Beautiful.
Okay, so font number 1, this is it. Could you try and guess this font? Don't think too hard, dude. I think you've got this.
See, I was gonna say Helvetica, but I'm wrong.
No, that's wrong. That's a serif one. This one's Baskerville.
Baskerville.
Adolfo,
Yes.
guess the font.
Futura?
You've won my respect. Like, you will get the next ones. I 100% guarantee it. Okay, next one.
Futura.
Yeah, you were 100% right. That was a good one. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Let's do it.
Guess this one.
Is this Futura?
He's got it. He got the
Let's
future.
go.
Yeah, nice one, dude.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, the S's are kind of weird, but everything else is really tall and structured.
Yeah. I told you it wouldn't be too bad.
Dude, I don't know. I'm kind of amazed. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
It shows you the power of good fonts. This one starts with an F.
Futura?
Yes, you got that one. Okay. You got it.
See the help? That was so good.
It's like, I'll be honest with you, Drew. I got one wrong too when someone else did it with me, and it was at Helvetica. No, sorry, it was Arial,
Ariel, okay.
but I thought it was Helvetica, so I'm terrible. Next one.
Oh, Futura.
Yeah, you got that one. Okay.
Yeah, that was an easy one.
Bit of a different one. Let's try this one.
Okay. I'm gonna say Helvetica.
Helvetica. New. Okay. That was close, though.
That was close.
Next one.
Oh, Helvetica.
Yeah, Helvetica. All right. Next one.
Helvetica.
Yep, got that one.
Nice.
New.
Yeah, okay.
Right, that's close enough. Guess this one.
Ooh, okay. This actually might be Helvetica.
I think you got it. I think you
Yes!
got it just right.
Helvetica.
Okay,
No way.
it's a bit too easy.
go.
This is way too easy for you, dude. This one here, I reckon you'll get.
Helvetica.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. See, you're not doing bad at all.
Okay, cool.
Okay, here's another one. How about?
I've used this one before many times, but I don't know the name. I'm gonna say
Final
starts with
answer.
an A, but
An A?
yeah, I'll take the loss. Montserrat.
Montserrat, bro.
2 out of 3.
Yeah, what about this one? It begins with an M, this one.
What'd you say?
M.
M?
Like mum.
Oh boy.
Or monster.
Oh, Munster.
Like monster.
I don't know, man.
Montserrat! There you go. Yeah, you're so close, so close. No worries, man.
I bring shame to my family. I apologize.
You do not make shame. These are difficult. Next one, try and guess this one.
Oh wow, the G is different on this one.
Yeah?
And oh man, but we just did Helvetica, and this doesn't look like Helvetica. This is a hard one.
Don't go too. Don't. Oh, you.
Montserrat?
Oh, you got it!
Oh,
yeah, you got
nice.
it. You're the first
Wait,
one
that's
to get it.
crazy.
You got it. You literally got it. I was not expecting. You know this one.
Gotham. Montserrat.
Hey, you got it.
Thank you for the hint.
No,
You're going. You can
I've
do
never
it.
seen that.
Yeah,
I've
you
never seen
have.
the G like that.
You have.
I have?
100%.
It looks like Gotham a little bit.
It looks a little bit like Gotham. Yeah. You can do it. You can. No.
Gotham's brother.
Kind of.
Oh, I know this.
Yeah, man. If you win this, you get the respect of the internet.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh man, it's not Bodoni, is it?
What's your final answer?
Bodoni. Oh, Roboto. Okay.
Roboto, bro.
Right.
Oh, I've seen this one too.
Yeah, you have. You have.
I stopped caring about phones like 5 years ago. I'll be honest. I don't know what this is.
This was a difficult one, actually.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
Roboto,
Robot. Yeah, but I've used Robot as lab for a while.
I don't know. Let's just go with the Times New Roman.
That was the most difficult one, dude. That was like, you did. But I'll tell you what, that was like a really close one. That was
Yeah,
really
not
close.
bad.
Right, last one.
Oh, this one.
Oh, you can do it, bro. This will be the first one clean.
This one is very characteristic. Like, I don't know if I use this one at all.
I reckon you've used this one or you've definitely heard about this one.
I'm really blanking out on this one.
So I'll give you a hint.
Yeah, give me a hint.
Google.
Okay, it's a Google free font. I still don't think I used this one before.
You can do a dance to it.
It's not Wingdings. I'm trying to think of a dance. But is it like the name of a dance?
Kind of. It's a really bad joke on my part.
Oh, really?
Begins with an R.
With an R. Recoleta? No, that's sans serif, right?
It's got both serif and sans serif.
Dude, I don't know this one. I'm
Roboto serif. Yeah.
I didn't know they had a Roboto serif.
Did you not? That's
I
quite
didn't.
new. This was a challenge, bro.
Man, that's a hard. Man, I was so close.
This is the most difficult one, right? But if you can do the robot dance, you're fine.
The robot dance? I know that's a hint, but I'm like, just...
This one, I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. So like Roboto serif.
Serif.
Yeah, no worries. You actually got like more than I bet you expected, though.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
That's for sure. That's
Oh, dude,
100%.
thank you so much, Drew. Thank you. Honestly, thank you. You got the respect from me.
Thank you so much.
Nice
That's
and
very
road.
valuable to me.
How many was that? 2?
I think it was 3. We'll work it back in the video.
Put it up here.
Yeah, where can they follow you?
At Barnard Co. Thanks very much.
So go follow. Dude, thank you so
That was
much
a
for
fun
playing,
game.
man. Thank you so much.
Man, that's cool.
Yeah, do you want to say anything?
I love logo design. I love the content you create. So I'd say just keep creating, you know?
Cheers, man. That was a wholesome
Yeah.
moment. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Nice one, dude. It was difficult. These are
that was
difficult.
difficult, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Subscribe to him.
No, go to him. Link in the description.